Local businesses are losing money every single day, and most of them don't even realize it. Missed calls turn into missed leads, and missed leads turn into lost revenue. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple AI system that fixes this automatically, and more importantly, how you can sell this system to local businesses, even if you are a complete beginner. Let me explain. So I'm just going to jump right into this. I'm not going to waste any of your time because I know your time is valuable. The first thing I want to show you is the problem we are dealing with local businesses, missing calls. And then right after that, I'm going to show you the exact solution to this problem. So the problem here is that most businesses, A, have terrible people manning the phones, like they're erratic or they're not great. And then B, they miss a lot of hours. So super problematic. If you don't believe me, you can come, to Google, search any, niche and then a keyword, and you can call these businesses. And so much of the time, they either won't answer, they're too busy, or they just don't have anything going on the phone, which is a huge loss of revenue. I'm telling you, this is one of the biggest things that happens with local businesses is no one answers the phones. And the crazy part is when they start answering the phones, they get way more business. It is as simple as that. So this is the problem we're dealing with. And this isn't like trying to sell ads or certain websites to people that may or may not need this. Every business pretty much gets calls, okay? I mean, you see this. You go on and you'll go to the person that's open or answers the phone. This is how this works. And what I'm about to show you is a way to answer these calls all the time. So this is the problem. But now we move on to the solution. So how do we fix this problem? Well, there's two different ways you can do it. Number one, they can just hire more staff and waste a lot of money, or they can hire you, pay you to set up an AI receptionist and save a lot of money and get a better service. And trust me, the second option is much better. And that option is using the AI agent or the AI receptionist to answer the call and do customer support and sales 24/7. You don't believe me that AI bots can answer the phone and talk to you? Check this out. I need to book an appointment ASAP. Like ASAP. My pipes are clogged.
Oh, sounds like your pipes are staging a protest. Let me check this appointment for you right away. Hang tight. All right.
You see how crazy that is? That's the future. And you can go to Google right now and call these businesses and see if they have one. And I'm telling you right now, they don't. At the time of this video, this is the most unsaturated opportunity online that I see because so few businesses have it. But guess what? All businesses get calls, so they all need it. The cool thing too about these AI agents is you can actually plug these in to their websites as AI voice widgets, and you can talk to it on here. So their website also becomes a place where you can sell and do customer support 24/7. Check this out.
Hey, you have reached Connor's Landscaping. How can I help you today?
Hey, is this Jasmine talking?
You got it. I'm Jasmine, your friendly landscaping.
So I can keep going on and book appointments, but this is the power of this, guys. And so few businesses have this. Again, if you don't believe me, go to Google, find a website, and see if they have one of these on there. They don't. This is the future, and the opportunity is huge. And here's the crazy part. Because they're not going to go in and hire, let's say, an extra person for a couple $1,000s a month, they can just hire you, and you can charge anywhere from $297 to $497 per month. And if you set this up correctly, businesses will have no problem paying you month after month because it's solving a core problem, which is answering the phone. I mean, you can see right here, phone number, phone number, phone number. They have phone numbers for you to call. Do you see the power of this? It's a problem they're already dealing with. And the cool part is too, guys, is once you set this up, it's very little maintenance. So you're basically setting it and forgetting it and collecting nice checks every single month, where you can stack these and build that recurring revenue. And what I'm about to show you is how to set this up. And you're going to see very quickly that this is possibly the most beginner-friendly service you can offer online. And the cool part is it's beginner-friendly with a lot of value. You're not going to find that kind of stuff anywhere else. So before I set this up, I just want to let you know I'm not trying to sell you some outdated course or some high-ticket coaching upsell. None of that. Everything I'm going to give away in this video is going to be free, and I don't want to be one of those guys that's just going to be like, hey, if you want the next step, pay me $10K. None of that. Okay, I'm just going to show you what's worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you. I also want to let you know that I've walked the walk. Okay, like I'm going to demo this and show you because I've actually done this. I've even won awards for selling AI and doing stuff like this. So I have done this, and I want to give you my experience to help you out, not just one of these guys that's checking out a product line and trying to sell you something. I'm trying to show you the path that worked for me. Okay, and also at any time during this video, because I want to be fully transparent, if you have questions, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer them personally. Not many people go on YouTube and answer their comments. I do, and I pretty much answer all of them. So please put the question down below and I'll take care of it. So let's go over setting this up. So I want to let you know is that Jasmine is the AI agent or AI receptionist that I built, and it is yours completely free. Okay, so this is a way for you to get a quick head start. I know I didn't mention this earlier in the video, but I just wanted to give you something free so you can actually like have something that's already pre-built. But I also have other videos on how to build these like that. So either way, I have you covered, and I also can change this to any niche possible. But once you get this AI agent, there's very little you need to do to set it up properly. You can change out a couple business names, which you also do around here, and then you just get a phone number, and then you're done. Like, it's literally that simple. I'm not even kidding you. That's all we have to do. For the numbers, you can either port one in, like move it, or do call forwarding, or you buy one for $1 on this AI software called High Level. But that's really it. Like, it's already all set up. And you saw me demo this earlier when I went through and talked to it. This is Jasmine. This is the AI agent. It's already working. And that's really it. Now, I want to let you know that the software I use is High Level. But what I've done, because I don't want to just be like, hey, or buy this software, is I talked to the team to secure you an extended free trial. That way you can actually try this and see this for free and, you know, test it over here for free without having to pay. So the normal trial is 14 days, but down below I got an extended 30-day. And the reason I did that is because 14 days just isn't enough. That way you can try this and see if you like it. And if you don't, you can leave. No sweat for that. Zero risk. I'm not going to charge you, hey, pay me $10K for this stuff. It's free. I also want to let you know when you sign up with that link, you get access to my private community for free, all of my training and resources like how to learn high level, selling it, all that stuff. And even 6 to 7 live coaching calls per week where you get the ultimate hand-holding experience, whether you are a beginner or more advanced. You can see there's calls with me, there's calls with other agency owners. You know, we got all the coaches you could possibly need, and they're all in here. And again, this is all free when you sign up with this link down below. So again, I've worked this out this way to be zero risk because I don't want you coming in and then like these other gurus online where they sell you something like a 5K coaching program and then you're kind of just stuck. I don't want that. I want you to actually see if you like this. And I really think you will if you actually put in the effort. I'm being dead serious. If you're willing to put in the effort and do this, I think you can see amazing things. So, I mean, again, I obviously think it's amazing, but I think we have the data to back it up. When you click the link down below, you'll see we have a lot of testimonials and case studies. So, I mean, I really think it's one of the best things yet. But what I want to do now, because now you understand, you know, where we have this software and how to get this for free, because this will all be in the community. I kind of want to walk through demoing this live to show you the power of this, because a lot of people come in and they'll be like, well, it's pretty good, but it's not that great, or it is really good, or, you know, they're not really sure because no one really shows you online. But like, I want to actually demo Jasmine for you and walk through a process of booking an appointment so you can see that this is legit. Again, I want to be fully transparent and show you because this is possibly the most valuable thing you can offer local businesses in 2026 and beyond. So let's go through and demo this right here. Put my number. Okay, type the number in and let's give it a call right now.
Hey, you have reached Connor's Landscaping. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? Who is this speaking to?
Hi there. I'm Jasmine, your friendly landscaping assistant at Connor's Landscaping. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What's going on with your yard today?
It's covered in weeds and it needs to be trimmed ASAP. I also need my lawn mowed and a couple other things done. So,
Got it. Sounds like those weeds are trying to take over. No worries, we can handle that for you. We'll get the lawn mowed, trimmed, and tackle those weeds so your yard looks sharp again. Let's get you scheduled. What's your name and the address we'll be working at?
okay, so my name is Declan the Wizard and the address is 3578 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach.
Thanks, Declan. Got it. 3578 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach. Let me check our schedule to see when we can get a crew out there. Do you have a preferred day or time? Or should I look for the soonest available?
Look for the soonest availability. So I'm trying to ask questions to throw it off because I'm trying to show you how powerful this is.
Openings today, February 3rd. The soonest slots are 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
3 p.m. is Jasmine. 3 p.m. is perfect.
Perfect, Declan. I'll lock you in for 3 p.m. today. Just need your email to confirm the booking. What's the best one to use?
Let's do Declan the Wizard 1 2 3 4 5 8 7 6 6 6 7 8 9 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 ddd@gmail.com.
All right, let me confirm that email for you. DECLANTHEWIZARD 1 2 3 4 5 8 7 6 6 6 7 8 9 10 10 10 10 10 10 dd@gmail.com. Oh, does that look right?
Yes, that's right. I'm confused. You need a long answer.
You're all set, Declan. We've got you booked for 3 p.m. today. A crew will be there to tackle those weeds and get your lawn looking great again. If you need anything else, just give us a shout. Have a fantastic day.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jasmine. Bye-bye. Okay, do you guys see how powerful that is? Like, that is insane. I tried to throw it off. I gave it the longest email. What human could remember that email? And I'm telling you guys, a lot of you guys have weird emails. So I'm telling you, this is the future. And the thing is, too, is these are so easy to set up. So if you think about it this way, local businesses need this because they're already paying for someone to be a receptionist, but they're also missing out on the opportunity with leads coming through and not answering the phone. So your whole goal now is to start giving these to local businesses. And like I said before, you can go online and just check these out and see if they have anything like this. They don't. Or they have people not answering the phones. And I'm telling you right now, at the time of this video, this is the most untapped business opportunity I have seen online because it actually solves a real problem, unlike a lot of the other shit you see online. And it's highly sticky, meaning that once you get them set up, if you do it right, they won't have a problem paying you month after month. You have to understand, guys, how powerful this is. There was nothing like this when I first got started in the online space. There was no AI that could answer the phones and do customer support 24/7 and sell people. They didn't exist, but now it does. So again, guys, this is completely free. This entire agent, okay, Jasmine, and I have a bunch more inside of my private community for free when you sign up at the link down below. So again, if you guys have questions on any of this, drop in the comments down below. I'll answer. I want to be as full transparent as possible. Whatever you think, if you hate this, if you love it, just let me know and we can talk about it. Because again, my goal is just to give you something that worked for me, okay? And hopefully work for you. And I want to let you know I have a ton of other videos on, how to sell this in a different way, like doing the self-selling demo. I have stuff with like how to find clients, like where to go to find them, sales scripts, like everything you could possibly need. I can just send you videos on it and guide you through this process regardless. Like I literally give away all of my secrets for free. And in the private community, we have just everything you could possibly need to go through this. So it's like, I'm not trying to hold anything back from you. You just have to be willing to do the work and you can see incredible gains. And again, the fact that you can add this to a website just like this and make it speak is insane. There's just so much opportunity for you to basically help local business out. And it's so beginner friendly. I mean, you saw how easy the setup was. It was just adding a phone number, tweaking a couple things are good. And if you didn't even want to add a phone number, you don't even need to. You can just connect it to the website and you're good. And you can put this voice widget on any website. That's the thing. It doesn't just have to be a high-level website. It could be a WordPress website, a Wix website, you name it. So again, guys, if you have questions, drop them down below, but I really think this is going to help you. I also want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to show you everything you get inside of my community for free when you sign up at the link down below, because I can yap all day and tell you how great I am, but ultimately seeing is believing. And I want to show you some case studies with real students, people literally actually telling you how it really is, not just from me, because again, I can talk all day, but I don't want to be that guy. I want you to make an informed decision for yourself. That's also why I have everything for free under that link, because I don't want to be the guy that's, oh, come buy this stuff and you like it or you don't, but I have your money. I don't want to be that guy. I want you to make the decision for yourself. So check out the video at the end of this video because it's going to go in depth on this, and make sure you look into it because I'm telling you, this is possibly the best business opportunity I've seen online in my entire life. So again, thank you for watching, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.